I figure I'd show you the quick and easy must do when it comes to these trust stones because I know it can be really overwhelming. I've done a lot of research and this is the easiest and first thing that you guys can do. So if you go to your equipment and then you're going to sort your equipment by trust, these are all the items that you can upgrade with trust stones. Now, to do this, you want to pick the items that you use the most. So, the two items that I'm going to do here is going to be June's Mantle, very defensive artifact. And you can see that they're locked. Now, all it's going to take here is just some books to unlock these. So you can see it's going to be 50 books per. So doing this strategy, just be aware that it's going to cost you about 300 books. So you just simply go through and you're going to unlock all the spots using books. And again, it's only going to cost 300. I haven't quite figured out like how specifically this June's Mantle is taking great sword books, but you know, it is what it is. You always can go down and transfer them. Okay, so I unlocked all of hers. Hers are all unlocked, so I wanted to do hers, and then I also wanted to do Eunice clothes, which is quite a ways down here. Here's Eunice clothing. This is another one that I have on almost all my healers because of that healing ability with protection shell on it. So again, you can see we're going to go through. This one's taking staff books. Again, it's going to take 300 books just to unlock all of the spots. So we're going to go through, unlock all these. Go. One more. Okay. Now that I have the two pieces of equipment that I'm going to put trust stones on, what we then need to go is we're going to go, and you can see down here, it's going to say trust stones. So we're going to go to trust stones and we're going to click forge. Now the key to doing this is you're going to equip green set. Cheapest set you can get. You're not going to care about the stats. So as you can see, I have Lucio's Mantle right here equipped with the HP and the attack. I'm going to do the exact same thing for June's TMR, and then I'll do magic instead of attack, but it's very simple. You're going to click on forge. Now these go on opposite, like this one's defense, this is the way they unlocked, then this one's A is offense, defense, offense, defense, offense. So if we start here with the I, and I want to go over to the green, and then I want HP. And I'm just going to forge two of them because I want one for Yuna and one for June's Mantle. So I'm going to click two of them. And I'm really not going to care what the substats are. Okay, then I'm going to do the other defense one. Again, go here. I'm going to forge two of them, not caring what the substats are. I really don't care. And then P. Okay, I'm going to forge two of those. That is going to be the right side of both of theirs. Now when we go to attack, okay, so I want one assault for June's, and then I want one magic for Yuna's. And then I'm going to go to T. I'm going to do the same thing. One attack. And then one magic. And again, these green ones, you can see how many green ones I have. It's not going to cost any resources. You don't have to fret about messing up because you have so many of them. And we really don't care, again, about what the substats are going to be given. Like the spirit, piercing, rate, 1 odd. I don't care. And then magic. Water attacks, we don't care. So now that that's all done, now all we're simply going to do is we're going to go back to equipment, go to trust, and let's go to June's TMR. Here it is, her mantle. Now all we're going to simply do is we're not going to equip. We're going to set, not caring about the levels. We don't, you can see the one that's equipped. Yep, that's the one I want. We don't care, again, about the subsets. We're going to set that one. And then we're going to go down. And what we're actually going to do is you get a bonus when you equip 3. And that's, when you're doing this, that's what you're looking for. You can see the set bonus. I'm already going to get 5% hit points. That's awesome. Set here. Now what's going to happen is you can see I got 5% hit points and all elemental attack resistance 5. Now I'm going to do the same thing when it comes to her attack. Oh, ignore all those. That was from upgrading. That'll be a later video. There we go. There's attack. Set another attack. Whatever those, again, whatever those additional bonuses are, we really don't care a lot when we're doing it this way. And then the attack. And then what you can see is because I've equipped 3 on each side, down here at the bottom, my bonus is 5% HP, all elemental attack resistance 5. I have attack 10 and defensive piercing 10. I get all of that automatically in the cheapest way when it comes to these trust rooms. So now let's go do the same thing to Eunice. Let's scroll across. Okay, here's Eunice. And we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to go through. We're going to equip the HP. We're going to equip the HP. And again, what we're doing is we're just looking for those bonuses of all elemental attack resistance. So with the hit point ones, you can see, or the defensive ones, you can see 5% hit points, 5% all elemental attack resistance, just for setting 3 of them. That's why we're just using the cheapest one. Now we'll go through, and my goodness gracious, where did that magic one go? Again, these are all made, here's the magic one, made for upgrading, which we'll talk about in a later video. So here we go, there's the magic one. We're going to set the other magic one. And then we're going to set the other magic one. So then as you can see, I now have trust rooms. This one here, again, the 5% HP, 5% all elemental attack resistance, 10% magic, and this time we get 10% spirit piercing up. I just did trust runes on 2 trust masters in less than 10 minutes. This is the cheapest, this is the easiest and least stressful way to do it. This is like the must do as long as you have the books. All right, thanks guys, talk to you later.